Coders here, and today you will learn how to make a script that will allow your player to customize the looks of their character. This is what the end project will look like. So now I'll press play. When I click 1, there will be a red cube, but now when I click 2, there is a blue cube, and when I click 3, there is a yellow cube. This script can be used for many other things than just changing the color of a cube. It can also be used to change models and other stuff like that. So now I've created a new project, so we can now start. So what you want to do at the beginning is right away, you want to go and create a plane and 3 different cubes that the player will be able to switch through using 1, 2, and 3. So let's say he clicks 1, then this cube would show up and the other 2 cubes will disappear. That's basically the method. And they click 2, this cube, which I'm hovering over right now, will be the only one show, and the other ones will disable themselves like this. So now to no longer see them, see how it's invisible? Yeah, that's how it's like. So that's the concept. So now you're going to be able to see these cubes again because I'm checking them back off. And I'll lower the plane so you can see the whole thing of the cubes. Now by right-clicking inside the menus, inside the project window, create 3 different materials, each for a cube. So one cube will have a blue material, another cube will have a red material, and the last cube will have a yellow material. So this material will be blue. Name it. Oopsies. This will be yellow material. And this will be the red material. So now I'm going to give the blue material name a blue color. That looks about blue. The red one, I'll do the same thing. Make it red. Good. And yellow. Perfect. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to name the cubes red, blue, and yellow. So this for blue, red, yellow. Blue. This cube. Will be red. And this cube will be named yellow. So now they have the 3 different things, 3 different names for them. I'm going to drag the blue material onto the blue named cube, red material on the red named cube, and the yellow material on the yellow named cube. So now what you want to do is you want to go and make a script. Again, go into the project menu, project window and right click, hover over create, and go to C# script. Click it, and now name it. I'll name it the script. Okay, that's a good name. Now let me open it by double clicking it. So I now have it here. It's good. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start writing the code, I'll explain it as I go. So the first thing I'm going to do is right here. I'm gonna create a namespace. Namespace is basically an empty box that you can store anything. Namespace, and I'll name it changing. Name it. Changing character. Script. Changing character. Script. And I'll close it at the end. Okay, so that's good. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and I'm going to create 3 different variables. First one is going to be called red, so I'll make it a public. It's going to be used for the red cube. So it'll be public, and it's a game object. Game object, and it's for the red cube, so name it red. Public. Make another one for the blue. Blue. And one last for the yellow. So now I can just ignore this start function. I don't really need it, but I'll just keep it because I can. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start the code, and I'll do an if statement. So if input dot get key down. So if you press a button and the button is and key code is basically just like what key they press, and alpha 1, which is the number 1, then so you set the red cube, that's the red cube, that's the red variable at the top here, and I'll attach it to the red cube. Red dot, and you set active. So set active is basically like if it's disabled or enabled, and it will be true. See, it says activate or deactivation the object. So, and I'll do true, which means it is activated if you press number 1. And then blue dot set is the same thing. That'd be false, so you don't see that cube anymore. And yellow dot set active would also be false. You see will be the red cube. So yeah, so now I'll do it to the other cubes. So I'll do it again. So if I'll just change the button they press and the things if they were true or false. So input dot dot get key down. So if you press down, key code dot alpha 2. Oh yeah, alpha is for numbers. Just to let you know. You have that. Then I'll just do it so this time blue is activated. So red dot set active. Now this time will be false. Blue dot set active will be true. So now you'll be able to see the cube. What's this? One sec. I'll see what that is later. So, and then I'll set yellow false. Yellow dot set active false. So now I'll do one more. Doesn't work like that. Not sure. Kind of confused. What's that about? Whatever. So I'll do one more. If input dot get key down, key code dot alpha 3, so that's number 3. Then red dot set active. This time yellow will be active. False. I always forget semicolon. Okay, blue dot set active. True. No, false. False. And yellow dot set active. True. That's true. Okay. So oh, I know what's wrong. I need 2 curly bracelets. Is that better? Yes, 2 curly bracelets. Brackets, I mean. Dummy. Yeah, this is the trick. Okay, so now I'm going to save by doing Command S. And I'm going to go back to Unity. Okay. So back to Unity. And I'll attach the script to the main camera. Oh, glitchy. Okay. What's the error? Unexpected symbol. What do you mean? Oh, forgot a semicolon. Okay, that should be good now. wait, did I save it? I don't think I saved it. Save. Okay, let me clear track. So, 1. Okay, so, yeah, I didn't attach it. I forgot I didn't attach it. So attach it to the main camera. And the red object, you see it says red. I'll do red, blue, oopsies, red, do it underneath. Okay, so main camera, blue, and then yellow. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna disable all the objects. So at the beginning you don't see a mismatch of weird colors. You see nothing. And then let's see if it works. Click 1, red cube, 2, blue cube, 3, yellow cube. Works perfectly. There you go.